Have you grilled fruit before? It's actually pretty cool. It takes a regular fruit like a peach or a mango to another level. It adds texture and flavor from the smoke. Actually, one of our most popular videos is grilled pineapple. If you haven't seen that yet, check it out right here. Today I'm going to do grilled peach, white peach, yellow peach, and also grilled mango. And we're going to combine it with some vanilla ice cream for a summertime dessert. It's going to be absolutely spectacular. Let me show you how to do it.
Leave it there.
All right, guys. So you like this? Grilled peaches and mangoes? Okay, let's have some ice cream with this, all right, guys?
Hey Vicky, do you think the peaches are going to be as good as when they're not grilled?
Yeah, look. Do you want a bowl? You prefer a bowl or a plate? Oh, you don't like mint.
You want a
All right,
plate?
okay.
What are you going to have, mango or peach?
Look, ice cream?
Are you having both, Vicky?
Mama, do you want ice cream?
Yeah, please.
Hey!
Oh, nobody's having
She's
mint?
taking the mint.
But the mint makes your plate look nice.
Okay, so what are you having?
Vicky, what do you want, mango
Yes.
or peach?
And peach. Both? Yes?
Mango.
Try both.
Yeah? Mango?
Careful
Alright,
with
let me
that,
see.
Stella. Come here.
I
sit
just
with
want
me.
mango.
Careful with the knife.
Let me cut the skin off for you.
Yes, you want ice cream? Okay.
Yes.
Grilled pieces of mango.
Try it.
Let me know how you like it.
This doesn't look very grilled.
It doesn't look very good.
No, grilled.
Oh, it doesn't look very grilled.
Oh.
She wanted more grill marks.
Oh, more
sweetie.
grilled?
Okay, make it.
Stella, you want peach?
You want peach?
Tastes normal.
Just tastes like a normal mango?
Sure.
It's actually peaches and mangoes are in season right now, so I have some white meat peaches, some yellow meat peaches. The yellow meat is a little bit softer, mushier, and the white ones are a little bit, harder, but they're actually
can I have
sweeter.
white one then?
The white one is sweeter.
Can I have a white one?
You can put ice cream right inside the mango like this, and then eat it like a sandwich. Look like this.
I think I'll try eating it without the ice cream.
This is yummy like this.
No.
But you know what? It softens it. Does the grill make it softer? Or no?
Yeah, well, not really, because you only grill it for like a minute or so. It has to be, the best results would be with the ripe fruit. So you have to do it in season. If it's not really seasoned, you're not going to have a good result. But it gives it a little edginess, a little char, a little charcoal flavor.
Yeah, I can feel it. I can feel it with the
Yeah.
peach. It's very good.
Yeah, not too much, but a little bit.
Not too much. Can't eat the peel yet, like that there.
What other grilled fruits do you want to try?
None.
Wait, let me give you another
Nothing?
one.
You didn't like it?
I don't
Here.
like the peach.
Here,
Well, do you want to have some dessert? Some more ice cream at least?
Oh, honey, you eat. Well, hold
No.
on, mommies. Awesome. Oila.
Well,
Here, let me get
so what do you guys like about this?
She wants
Or
more.
you don't like it? You
Mira.
don't like it?
I think Stella likes it. Do you like it, Stella?
Look, one piece that has just a little bit of charm.
Okay.
Well, I know who likes it.
Do you want more mango, Stella?
Yeah.
Yeah, she wants more mango. So maybe get her some. So she really likes it.
All right, guys. I think we've seen enough. The kids like the ice cream. She's eating it with 2 spoons now. Spoon in the left hand, spoon in the right hand, gobbling her ice cream left and right. And what was the verdict? We liked the grilled mango a little bit. We didn't like the peaches so much, right?
I like the peach, but
You
the
like the
girls,
peach?
the girls didn't.
Girls
like
didn't
it
like
so
the peach.
much, yeah.
I don't know. It's something to try out at home.
Well, the peach is nice because at least you can eat, like the.
I think it comes
You
out
can eat
really
it.
nice. I love it as sort of like a ice cream sandwich. Put
Like
the ice cream on top.
Like an ice cream cup.
Yeah, little ice cream on top, little mint leaf. Doesn't that look beautiful? And it has a ton of taste.
want to
Really yummy.
No.
It's okay, honey. You see
Refreshing. All right, guys. I hope you learned something this episode, and I hope you try it at home. And I hope to see you again next week. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Say bye.
Bye.
Bye.